kids! Welcome to Kids School Art. Today we are drawing alphabet. Let's draw with me. First, we are drawing the letter A. Oh, look at that. Letter A has magical eyes. Let's do coloring. Green. Wow, it looks super cute. Now we are drawing a letter B. Wow, it looks super cute. Purple. See? Wow, it looks super cute. Blue. See, has magical eyes. D. Wow, it looks super cute. D has magical eyes. E. Yellow. E. Wow, it looks super cute. E has magical eyes. F. Purple. Wow, it looks super cute. F has magical eyes. G. Wow, it looks super cute. Red. G has magical eyes. H. Pink. Wow, it looks super cute. I. And I has magical eyes. Wow, it looks super cute. J. Wow, it looks super cute. Green. K. Wow, it looks super cute. Orange. L. Wow, it looks super cute. Pink. N. Red. O. Purple. P. Q. Pink. R. Green. S. Orange.
U.
Red. V.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O Q R S T U V W X
W.
Y and Z. Now
Purple.
you know your ABC. Next I want you to say with me.
X. Green.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M
Y.
N O P Q R S T U V
Pink.
W X Y and Z. Now you know your ABC.
Z.
Next I want you to say with me. Now you know your ABC. Next I want you to say
See you in next video. Bye bye.